the child is basics are clear, then we can take him to the foundation for like Tayari Jeet.
Here, the principal of Kunjir Public School, Pragati Salvekar ma'am. Welcome, ma'am, to the podcast.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am, Anita ma'am, for the good podcast. Now the era of podcast is there. So why the education system should not be included in podcast also? Myself, Pragati Salvekar, principal of Kunjit Public School. I have completed my MSc B.Ed, DSM and Diploma in School Management, and 25 plus experience of as a principal in the schools of State Board and CBSE school, ma'am.
And I think you are from KV's family.
Yeah, I'm the byproduct of KV.
KV's.
Yeah, and Sainik School Satara also I have studied as my father was working over there, ma'am.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Ma'am, what about foundation studies in curriculums?
Yeah, ma'am, foundation curriculum like like NEP 2020 has already come into the education system, and also according to NEP 2020 the national curriculum framework has been designed. According to that, it is a choice of the students like which subjects to be catered for higher studies or from 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th like that. But foundation means, ma'am, foundation studies should be very much important in the school curriculum, because after 11th and 12th, the children go with streams like they want to have a stream of arts, commerce and science. But foundation means if the child is having very good marks in it's a number game actually. Maths and science is very strong. The child will go for science stream. Or if you go for CA also, if you go for MA,
medical
engineering, whatever the things are there. But after 11th and 12th, going in foundation, it makes a little bit difference, because the child will worried about the curriculum, what is based in curriculum, how to manage a time, how to manage
regular
the mental
studies,
health, everything. So if we give foundation studies from 6th standard onwards in the schools, it will cater a mental health also for the student, and also the speed also and the accuracy of the student where the foundation courses are going on. Why foundation, ma'am? Why? Because the foundation means it's a base of the students. Like for our body, the proteins are the best one. For making a building, pillars are very much important. So for catering CBSE school after the 11th and 12th, going for CET, JEE, NEET exams, ma'am, foundation courses are very much important, and which should be introduced from 6th standard to every schools in all over the India or in the education system. Like we have in Kunjir Public School, we have introduced CBSE school from 6th standard foundation courses, and according to the level wise, according to the class wise, according to the subject wise for maths and science, foundation courses varies a lot. Because if you take a light topic, the light for the 6th standard, 7th standard, 8th standard, 9th standard, 11th and 12th, the different topics are there, and about the content of the time. So in our books, what we have, if we give the foundation courses, if the question is asked for one time, so the question will have a green dot. If that second question will ask on the questions, like it will have 2 dots. And also the third question, if it is there, it will have 3 dots. 3 dots means it is very, very much important in CET or JEE or any of the competitive exams in future. So the child knows that where the questions and how the questions will come into the competitive exams. Ma'am, in the era of competitive exams, there are only the OMR sheets are important. Right now, the children will not go for writing descriptive words. Now the child have to focus on the OMR sheet, means the answer should be accuracy. If they want the answer should be very much accuracy, they have to have in a mind like this answer is very much sure shot. They cannot go with कुछ भी डाल दिया,
लिख लिया, थोड़ा solve करके देखा.
That is important. So for that, the timing is important, and for timing, the mental health is
Mental health.
important. If the child is stable to write, he can have it. And also the most important thing is time management. If 100 questions are there, then if 60 minutes are there, how to write 60 minutes, in a 60 minutes, 100 questions. So he have to have a mental balance in that, ma'am.
Why it is so important?
Ma'am, right now after 12th standard, everywhere CET exams are there. If you go for CA Foundation exams, CET is there. If you go for B.Ed also, CET is there. Afterwards, if you go for any of the like we call NDA exams are there, UPSC is there, MPSC is there, CET is there, NEET is there, JEE is there, B Pharmacy
Everywhere
is
is the
there, Hotel
competitive
Management,
exams.
BHMTT. If you go for BHMCT, there's n number of colleges, like
Yes.
n number of courses are there, n number of CETs are there. So you have to have the CET, like MHCET means Maharashtra State Common Eligibility Test, or any of the B.Ed tests. If you want to go for B.Ed, so the TATs are there, the SETs are there, anything, anywhere, it's the like entrance exam is important. If you go for banking sector also, the banking exams are there. If you go for railways are there also CETs
Everywhere
are.
the competition.
So everywhere the competition is there, and in the world of competition, this era, we need foundation studies for the students right
Students
now.
from the primary.
Yeah, from the
Primary.
sixth standard, sixth
From
standard,
sixth
we are
standard.
standard.
Higher class.
Because first to fourth or first to fifth, we can say these are the basic things to be
Yes.
clear. The child is basics are clear, then we can take him to the foundation for like Tayari Jeet Ki.
Jeet ki.
So that is very much important. So the foundation studies are very much important in the schools for giving the competitive exams.
Okay, ma'am. Highlights on the only competitive exams.
Okay. Ma'am, competitive exams means after the 12th standard, if the child wants to go for JEE, NEET and CET. So these are the competitive exams for engineering or medical, or if you want to go for any of the dental, BDS courses, the entrances exams are there. So for JEE, NEET, you have to go with CET if you're in a Maharashtra state. The CET is important for engineering also and medical also. But JEE and NEETs are important for engineering and medical. So these are the competitive exam. If the child after the 11th and 12th, he wants to go for medical engineering. But after the child, if he is in commerce, the CA foundation courses are there. That is also in competitive exams. If the child wants to go for NDA, there is also a competitive UPSC, there is also MPSC, there is a competitive exams. For competitive exams, the main structure, like main gist of the study is that starts from 6th standard. So I also tell my teachers, if the child in the 6th standard has been taught, don't teach everything which is there in the syllabus. Go with the gist of that syllabus. Just at the topic you teach them, they will know about, yes, this has been asked in the competitive exam for so many times. So that child will focus. Like, it's not means that, ki ma'am, we are only preparing for the child for competitive exams. No. If the child is going through the foundation classes, he will be overall, mentally fit, speed will be there, and he can also judge himself that down the line 6 years or down the line 12 years, where should I stand? So this is about, his school is not only preparing for foundation, school is preparing for overall development of the child. Yeah. So in this world of competition, he will stand where he wants to be. आपण म्हणतो हल्लीचे मुलं खूप हुशार आहेत. मग हुशार आहे तर द्या ना चांगल्या मुलांना. आपल्याला द्यायलाच पाहिजे चांगलं.
बरोबर आहे.
So this is what
म्हणजे education with cultural and other activity,
Yeah.
you are means all
we are
together.
having a bonding
with
and blending of the syllabus, inclusive study, because CBSE has giving the inclusive study of so many things are there, like financial literacy is there, so many things are there. So this is also a blending of education, which is also a foundation studies in the school is important.
Any objection from parents?
No, ma'am. The thing I got the review for that, if we started the foundation from other school, like Vadgaon Sheri or from Kharadi, people came to us. The school is starting with foundation. We want to take admissions in our school. So this year in 10th standard also and 9th standard also we got, and even 6th to 9th standard we have flourishes with the admission. For why we have? Because we have started with the foundation courses.
This syllabus is from the book or out of the book you are teaching?
It is the blended with NCP like and the
okay.
NCERT
syllabus.
NCERT syllabus and the foundation course. This is totally blend with us, and in the timing also will be in the school timing only. The thing is that we have 9 lectures. According to the 9 lectures, 7 lectures will be of theory, 2 lectures like assessment will be there, and the practicals where the teachers will have a doubt sessions to the students and the practical there. So according to maths and science, 9 lectures we have allotted for foundation courses during the school hours only, so that
Okay.
for basically main thing for foundation in the school is very much important for the girls.
Oh,
Even the boys right now. The security of the girls are very much important,
Yes.
because in the evening if you're sending outside for tuitions or any classes,
Class.
the child will come by 10 o'clock or they will come by 8 o'clock. In the night the parents won't allow for the
And
girls
full
to
day-
go out, and it is
and
very
full day
dangerous.
very hectic also
Yes,
for the
it will be
girls and
full,
boys.
yeah. But this is a very much safety for the students. Like they are coming in the school timing, they are going outside in the school timing. The studies in patch up in the periods only, so that the girl's safety is more important. Even the parent is also happy that my child is getting foundation from 6th standard till she goes in 9th standard. She will be perfectly all right for
तो आज आप स्कूल से ही तैयारी जीत की करवा लेती हो.
that. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you
Yes.
so much, ma'am, for this podcast. Stay connected for the next podcast. Thank you.